Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to use the digital multimeter to measure the resistor. Okay, so DMM actually is like digital multimeter, and let's say you have two type of digital multimeter. So you can see here they have like numbers, some as like direct. So it depends on the multimeter that you have. So let's say we use this one to measure the resistor. So this one is the voltage for AC, and then this one is voltage for DC, and you can see the ohm is here, the resistor ohm, and here is the current. Okay, it's milliwatt, and this one is ampere. It depends on how high is your ampere value. Okay, so for resistor, right, you need to connect to here, the ohm here. So the red color probe here, you can connect to here. That means you will do something like this. So you just click on here and then choose the red color one, and then this one you connect the probe and then connect to the resistor here, and the black color one for the negative, the ground, you can just place here and to another end. So you are measuring the resistor, but at the same time you need to change the toggle here, the knot here, to the resistor here. That means you need to move to here to measure the resistor. When you measure the voltage, then you will turn the knot to the voltage for the AC, and if you want to measure ampere, you just move the knot to the ampere. Okay, so this is how you measure for your resistor. And then how about this type? So for this type, it depend on the value. So you can like predict what is your value of your resistor, and then you change the size. Let's say you are measuring 1 kilo ohm resistor, you can just like move your knot to 2k. Okay, and then that means you move to here to the ohm. Okay, then you are measuring for the 1k resistor. So it depends on your size. Let's say you are measuring like 15k, then you can move to 20k here. Okay, must be smaller than the value that you choose. Okay, so another one is, let's say something like this. For this, right, you just connect the same thing, the ohm here. Okay, so you just connect the port to here, and the negative here, the negative one to this side. Okay, if you change the direction of the probe, that means the positive is here and then the negative is here, so you will get the same value as well, because they don't have like the direction like negative or positive. Okay, so how to read the color code for the resistor? Okay, so the color code is here. Okay, if you want to do manually like reading the color code, okay, so here's the color code. Let's say this one is like 6 band. Okay, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color. So we have a question like, how we know which one is the starting and which one is the ending? Okay, like this, if we opposite it. So you can see have a big gap here. Okay, you can see the big gap. So if you have a big gap here, right, the smaller number here, that means two color only, then here is like the ending, and here will be like the starting. Okay, so the first color from here, right, is you can refer to the color. So this one is red, so it's 2, and then this purple, 7, and then the third digit here is the yellow, is 4. That means it's refer to like first digit, second digit, third digit, and number 4 here, right, is the multiple. So the black color is multiple 1. So that means you will have 2, 7, 4 multiple with 1. So you get 274 ohm. And then the red color here is tolerance. That means it's like plus minus 2%. And the temperature here is 250 ppm K. Okay. Then for another example, here is like 4 band. So you can see they have like 1, 2, 3, 4 color. So this is the first digit, second digit, and the last one here, right, before the gap, right, actually is the multiple. That means the first one here will be the brown color. Okay, the first number is 1, and the second is red, so it's 2, and then the third one ending, right, so it's the multiple. That means like 100 kilo ohm. Okay, that means you have like 1, 2, and then times with 10 power of kilo ohm. So you will get like 12,000 kilo ohm. Okay, it's like 10 power 5. And then here is the gold color. That means is tolerance 5%. Then you put 5%. If they don't have the color here, then you just ignore. Okay, so this is how you check the resistor using the color code. So let me demo for you like using the multi-sim, the simulation for multimeter. So how to measure, let's say you have a multimeter here, you just choose from here to find the instrument, then multimeter. Okay, you have a multimeter here. So you can see you also have ampere, the A, the ohm, and voltage, and AC and DC. Okay, so now we know, let's say we want to check for ohm only, right? Okay, the resistor. So we choose here to click on the resistor. Then we choose the resistor here. Then you can pick any value of the resistor that you want. Let's say I pick this one. Then I press OK. Okay, then we just put it here. Okay, now we have resistor with 1 kilo ohm. Okay, then we just put the wire. Okay, wiring. We just put it like this. Okay, now we have one wire, and this one is the black color one. So it's something like same as this one. The red to here, and then the black one is to here. Okay, then we can measure it like now no have value, right? So when you run it, then they will appear 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so how about I change the value? Let's say I stop it, then I change the value to 2.2. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, then I run it. You can see the value here should be changed to 2.2. So this is what the value that you will get in your digital multimeter tool. So in digital multimeter, when you just put the two probe, right, two probe on the resistor, then you will direct appear the value here, and then you can see the unit will be at the right hand side. Okay, so that's all for you to how to measure the resistor using the multimeter. Okay, thank you.